Hello everyone. In today's video, this guide is for those who are new to Binance, starting with how to sign up through the app. We'll also cover deposits and futures trading. I'll explain everything step by step in detail. I'll keep it as simple as possible, so please stay with me until the end. First, let's go over how to sign up for Binance. Search for Binance in the App Store or Play Store. Select the Binance app and install it. Once installed, open the Binance app. On the first screen, tap I'm new to crypto to get started. Now, let's begin the sign-up process. You'll need to create a Binance account. Choose either an email address or a mobile number. After entering it, check the box to agree to the terms below. Then tap the register button. A verification code will be sent to your email or mobile number. Enter the verification code to complete the verification process. Next, create a password for your account. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and include a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. After entering your password, tap Continue. In the next step, you'll need to register an inviter. An inviter cannot be added after registration is complete, so make sure to register it at this stage. To register an inviter, tap the Yes button. The Referral ID field will then appear. Enter Sky333 in this field. You can receive a 20% lifetime Binance trading fee discount. You can also receive various new user bonuses. You can also see the 20% fee discount applied on the screen. Next, let's go over how to complete KYC verification. To use deposits, withdrawals, trading, and other Binance features, you must complete KYC verification. Select your residence. Then select your document issuing country. Next, we'll proceed with ID verification. Several document type options will appear below. Choose whichever identification document is most convenient. For this video, we'll use ID card. After selecting your ID, check the terms below. Then tap the Continue button. Tap Take pictures to photograph your ID. When the camera screen appears, prepare your ID. Position your ID inside the screen frame. Take clear photos of the front and back without glare. After photographing your ID, facial verification will begin. Position your face in the center of the frame. Follow the instructions by nodding or blinking. Once completed, your KYC verification will be submitted automatically. The review usually takes around 1 hour. Once the review is complete, you can check the approval result. Next, let's go over how to set up additional security. Your Binance account holds your assets, so make sure to set up additional security for your account. Tap the Binance icon in the upper left corner. Then tap the arrow icon in the upper right corner. Select Security from the menu below. Authenticator app is commonly used because it offers strong security. Select Authenticator app here. You need to download the Authenticator app. Tap the download button below. Once the download is complete, return to the Binance app. Tap the Enable Authenticator app button. A verification code will be sent to your registered email or mobile number. Enter the code you received to complete verification. You'll then be taken to the Authenticator link screen. You can see Binance's 16-digit key on the screen. Copy the generated 16-digit key. Now open the Authenticator app you installed. Tap the plus button in the lower right corner. Then select Enter a setup key. Enter Binance in the codename field. Paste the copied 16-digit key into your key. Once entered, tap the Add button below. Your Binance account will be added to Google Authenticator. A new 6-digit code will also be generated. Copy the generated 6-digit code. Then return to the Binance app. Tap the Next button below. The Authenticator app code field will appear. Paste the copied 6-digit code into the field. The Google Authenticator setup will then be complete, and your account security will be successfully strengthened. Next, let's switch the Binance app to Pro mode. To use futures trading and other Binance features, you need to switch to Binance Pro mode. Tap the Binance icon in the upper left corner. You'll see the Binance Pro button near the bottom. Tap this button once. The app will immediately switch to Binance Pro mode. You can now access various Binance features. Second, let's go over Binance peer-to-peer trading. There are several ways to deposit crypto into Binance. Today, I'll show you one of the most commonly used methods. We'll use the peer-to-peer trading method, which has no fees. Tap Assets in the lower right corner. At the top, you can see the different Binance wallets. Spot is used for deposits, withdrawals, and spot trading. Futures is used for futures trading. Select Spot to deposit crypto. Then tap the Add Funds button. Several deposit method options will appear. Select Peer-to-peer trading from the list. You'll then be taken to the peer-to-peer trading screen. A screen may ask about your peer-to-peer experience. Tap No, I'm new to peer-to-peer. Next, select Peer-to-peer from the top menu. You'll then see the peer-to-peer trading screen. Select Buy Mode to purchase crypto. Then tap this button in the upper right corner. Select the local currency you want to use. Next, tap this button below. Select the crypto you want to purchase. USDT is commonly used because of its high volume and low volatility. Tap the button next to it and enter the purchase amount. Then select your payment method. Next, tap the filter button on the right. You can configure the ad type here. If you want to trade more safely, enable tradable ads only. Also enable verified merchant ads only. Once finished, tap the confirm button. A list of advertisers will then appear. If you want an even safer transaction, I recommend trading with an advertiser who has a high trading volume and a high completion rate. Select the advertiser you want to trade with. Then tap the buy button. Some advertisers may request additional identity verification. Once you are taken to the order screen, make sure to review the advertiser's info below. Then enter the amount you want to purchase. Next, select the payment method you want to use. Check the terms below. Then tap the place order button. The advertiser's payment information will now appear. Make sure to check the advertiser's chat before paying. Double check the payment information as well. Make the payment using your selected payment method. Once the payment is complete, return to Binance. Tap the Upload Payment Proof button below. Upload at least one payment proof. After uploading, check the terms below. Then tap Transferred, notify seller. The seller will receive a payment confirmation notification. While the seller checks the payment, return to the home screen. Tap Assets in the lower right corner. Then go to Spot. Once the seller confirms the payment, they will release the crypto. Shortly after, you'll see the crypto in your Spot wallet. Third, let's go over Binance futures trading. To start futures trading on Binance, you need to transfer your crypto from Spot to futures. First, go to Spot. Tap the transfer button to move your crypto. Set the transfer direction from Spot wallet to USDM futures. Next, select the crypto you want to transfer. Then enter the amount you want to transfer. The crypto will be transferred to futures shortly. Now let's begin futures trading. Tap Futures in the lower right corner. You'll then be taken to the futures trading screen. Tap this button in the upper left corner. Select the crypto you want to trade. Tap the chart icon on the right. You can view the chart of the selected crypto. After checking the chart, return to the previous screen. This button lets you set the position direction. Select Buy if you expect the crypto price to rise. Select Sell if you expect the price to fall. Next, tap this button to configure the margin mode. Cross uses all available margin for the position. Isolated uses only a portion of the margin. For your first trade, I recommend the relatively safer isolated mode. Tap the button next to it to set the leverage. Leverage can be set up to 150x. However, higher leverage can increase potential profits. At the same time, losses and liquidation risk also increase. So for your first trade, I recommend using low leverage. Tap the button below to set the order type. Limit places an order at a specified price. Market places an order immediately at the current market price. Below that, you can set the trading price and amount. This section shows your available margin. Now tap this button once again. Here, choose your final position direction. Tap Buy Long if you expect the price to rise. Select Sell Short if you expect the price to fall. Once selected, the position will be opened. Tap the Positions button below. You can check the status of your open position. ROI refers to your current rate of return. Entry price is the price where you entered the position. Mark price refers to the current market price. Leak price refers to the liquidation price. If the price reaches that level, the position will be liquidated. So make sure to monitor the leak price carefully. Next, tap the TPSL button. Here, you can set your take profit and stop loss prices. I recommend setting them for better risk management. Finally, tap the Close button. You can close your current position here. Market closes the position immediately at the current market price. Limit closes the position at a specified price. Next, enter the price and amount you want to close. Finally, tap the Confirm button. You'll then see that the position has been fully closed. Today's video was made for Binance beginners. We covered how to sign up through the app and make a deposit. We also went through futures trading step by step. If you have any trouble while following the video, feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.